Imagine a device that processes tasks faster than you can blink. Welcome to the world of the Samsung S23 Ultra 5G, a titan among smartphones and the talk of the tech town. The struggle is real with smartphones these days. Battery life that doesn't last the day, processing speed that lags, and camera quality that leaves much to be desired. Enter the S23 Ultra 5G. This device boasts a processor that's a beast, RAM that's off the charts, camera technology that rivals professional gear, and features that will leave you in awe. But what sets the S23 Ultra 5G apart? It's a unique feature that's a game changer. Picture this: real-world applications that operate faster than ever before, all thanks to this breakthrough technology. In a nutshell, the S23 Ultra 5G is power personified. It addresses the common challenges we've discussed and does it with style. So what do you think? What's your favorite feature of the S23 Ultra 5G? Got more tech topics you'd like us to delve into? Drop a comment and join the conversation.